Good evening, Haflong. Here are your top news stories for today. Tragedy struck at Harangajao Waterfalls as three NIT Silchar students drowned. Sauhard Rai, Sarvakritika, and Radhika, all in their 20s. Rescue teams are on site, and authorities are urging everyone to exercise caution near waterfalls this season. In Dhubri, two ACS officers, Partha Pratim Barman and Debasena Barman, have been booked for serious charges of sexual exploitation and intimidation. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a massive Rs 21,000 crore investment for Northeast education today. She laid the foundation for Swahid, Kanaklata Barua State University in Gohpur, focusing on AI, cybersecurity, and drone technology. Exciting news for culture lovers. The Jatinga Festival 2025 kicks off in Haflong on November 8 and 9. Bollywood singer Shun will headline this eco friendly festival with an entry fee of just Rs 500. Enjoy food, crafts, and camping under the stars in our beautiful hills. And finally, PM Modi has flagged off four new Vande Bharat trains, enhancing connectivity across key routes. Stay tuned with Newsbearer Haflong for real time updates and visuals from the hills.